This is Gage Crates, and I'm here to show you guys how to make the slingshot gun.
This gun is easy to make, but powerful enough to put a dent into a can using pennies. However, you can switch your ammunition to marshmallows and be able to shoot at friends and siblings too.
All you'll need to make this is 3 toilet paper rolls, scissors, tape, and a balloon. First, just cut the balloon around here where it starts to widen. Just put the balloon around the toilet paper roll and duct tape it together so that it stays. Just put the 2 rolls inside of each other, and then you can tape them together. Just put your final roll where you would like to hold it and tape it around. That way it stays in place. Then what I like to do is put 2 more pieces of duct tape, one on this side and one on this side, to help it stay in place. To use this, place a coin into the balloon, pull it back, and shoot.
For target practice, I first shot at this light bulb which shattered immediately. Next, I shot at some cups and I was able to knock them all down with some incredible accuracy. Then, I was even able to stick pennies into this apple.
If you like this slingshot I made for you guys today, then you should check out some of my other videos.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Peace.